Hello, boys and girls of Form 4. To better help you prepare for the coming reading exam, we would like to provide you with this exam special. So, we'd like to focus on one particular type of question, reference. So, it is a common type of question we always see in reading exams. So, how do we tackle this? The key to tackle this is basically to give specific information to define what the pronoun or noun in the question actually refers to. Take question 1 as an example. What does they in line 1 refer to? So as we can see from the passage, in line 1, they, obviously, we look back and we find the closest information, your friends and family. So this one is pretty obvious, right? So when we answer, we have to pay attention. If the pronoun or the noun is actually a plural pronoun or noun, make sure you have S. So sometimes we find reference question difficult. Why? If we look at line number 9, for the word many, what does many refer to? So there's nothing we can go back to refer to, right? It is the first sentence in paragraph 2. So sometimes we may have to go forward to see if we can find anything so that we can refer to. Another way is we can look at some extra information to help us understand what this many refer to. So these apps refer to location sharing apps, provide an enormous sense of safety and security. Then we have to think, who would want to get safety and security? Obviously would be users. So the answer for this, many, refers to users of location sharing apps. Okay? So make sure you are giving specific, detailed information from the passage to help us understand and define what some nouns or pronouns are actually referring to. Okay? Another type of challenging questions is also quite common is when we see this behavior in line 20. Sometimes we may see this kind of nouns or pronouns which may be referring to an action. So sometimes we make mistakes because we're not able to get the correct answers. So this behavior, as I pointed to you already, refers to we are considering more of our private lives. However, if you directly copy the whole sentence from the passage, it would be wrong. In order to tackle this type of reference question, we have to answer using two special ways. Number 1, using ing adjourn as our answer. Because this behavior is actually a noun. If we answer using the whole sentence, the part of speech would be wrong. Secondly, if you don't want to start using the ing form, you can actually start your answer using the fact that or the behavior that. And then you can copy the sentence from the passage. So, whenever we see a noun that is actually referring to an action, make sure you use either number 1, a gerund to answer, or number 2, the fact that. I hope that after this video, you can better understand how you can tackle the common question type, reference.